I was discussing this with a colleague the other day, and I thought I'll quickly share this with you. Is there a validity period for a financial power of attorney? So, what is a financial power of attorney? A financial power of attorney is basically, if you're incapacitated, you cannot handle your financial affairs, you nominate agent, most likely your spouse, to handle your financial affairs for you. Is there a validity period to that? Is there like an expiry period to that? Well, legally speaking, not really, because you can once you give them the authority, they always have that authority. But from a practical standpoint, if you just go to a bank with that power of attorney, if banks kind of hesitate if that is a very old document, because let's say I've given it to my friend, right, as opposed to my spouse, and I gave that authority to him 20 years ago, and 20 years later I'm incapacitated, and my friend wants to use that power of attorney, in the bank. Obviously, the bank is going to hesitate. This power of attorney was executed 20 years ago. Like, does the person who's incapacitated now, who cannot make decisions, does he still trust this person to come and operate the bank account? So although there is no expiry period or validity period to a medical power of attorney, it's just a good practice to kind of re-execute it every once in 2 years or 3 years, just to make sure that the document is recent, so that when you actually need it, and the person who you nominate goes to the bank and tries to use it, that it is actually accepted and used, so that people are not running through hoops just because the document is old and banks are not sure, does this person really still trust this person?